Hey there guys, I hope you are fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can check if someone has booked a meeting with you. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So as you can see, this is the event type section here. So what you need to do is you need to just simply click on schedule events, and from there you need to click on schedule events. Now you can see in the upcoming section, you can easily see anyone who has booked an appointment with you. If they have booked a meeting or any type of event type, it will show up here according to the date and time. So you can also choose the date range from which from there you can also choose the date range, and as you can see, it's that easy. So that's it for today. Hope you found the video beneficial. See you soon. Have a good day.